I'm going to show you how I made my skull bottle reed diffuser. The bottle I'm using is an empty Crystal Head vodka miniature, but if you don't drink you should be able to find an empty one on eBay. I'm mixing my own scent based on an essential oil recipe I found, which is supposed to smell like Karma from Lush. It's not exactly the same, but it's very similar and it does smell amazing. I used a sweet almond carrier oil and patchouli, lemongrass, orange, lavender, frankincense and pine needle essential oils. You can also get ready-made reed diffuser oils if you want to make this project even simpler. I mixed 6 drops each of the patchouli and lemongrass oils, 4 drops each of the orange and frankincense, and 2 drops each of the lavender and pine needle. The skull bottle holds 50 ml, but I didn't want it to be full, so I used 25 ml of the almond oil, then all of the scent mixture, which should be about 24 drops. You can add more or less of the scent mixture depending on how strong you want it. I find store-bought reed diffusers a bit too strong, so 24 drops of essential oil per 25 ml of carrier oil is just right for me. I'll put the links to the bottle, reeds and oils below, along with a link to the dress and necklace I'm wearing here, which I also made.